How to verify your Instagram business account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how we can verify our Instagram business account. Whether you're looking out to get that blue check mark or simply make your business profile stand out, we will walk you through the process. So let's just get started with the video. Just open up your Instagram app and head over to your profile by clicking on your profile at the bottom right after launching your Instagram, and tap on your profile picture as I said at the bottom right. And after that, here you will be finding a three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Just go ahead and click on it and setting menu appears. So here you're gonna go ahead and tap an account center, and inside the account section you're gonna find and select request verification. So here you can find this option called show that your profile is verified. Just go ahead and just go on with the process of verification. So you need to fill up the forms in order to do that. If you can't do it from that directly, you may just get back and look out for professionals if you have turned on a professional dashboard, and go to creator tools and controls here. After going here, you're going to scroll at last and you will be finding an option called request verification. Here, just go ahead and tap on that option. And here you will be getting this form. So you're just gonna fill in the form in order to get the verification. Here you need to enter your full name, your document type, your notability, confirm it, your country, your reason, select the audience, and go out and fill up the forms they're asking. After that it's done, just go ahead and submit your request, and after uploading the necessary documents, just go ahead and do it. And after that, Instagram typically takes up to a few days or a few weeks to review your request, and then you will receive a notification once the decision is made. And keep in mind that Instagram only verifies notable business or public figures or brands to prevent impersonation. So to increase your chances of getting verified, since we already have a business account, there won't be problem. But if you want to increase your chances of getting verified, make sure your profile is complete, including a bio, a profile picture, and contact information, and you ensure that your account is active and authentic. And that's it. That's how you request a verification for your Instagram business account. So if this tutorial helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more social media tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and see you in the next video.